circumstances are different, but you're right. They do. Some individuals at a certain point, they just kind of throw caution to the wind and say, I'm just going to do whatever and keep this going as long as I can.
Here she goes over the medium.
Over to the side there.
Oh, maybe she's pulling over.
Not sure what she's going to. Oh, Ginger.
Oh my goodness! Watch
She's going to come to the other side and flip it around if she can. That would be my guess. Or maybe, I think she's trying to fake out some of the officers. Maybe running low on gas and trying to
she's going to make a U-turn.
slosh some unbelievable brazen driver. Damage already.
She's
to the
heading
front.
the wrong
Headed
way.
in the wrong direction.
Oh my goodness! Look at
Look at
that. Completely faked out the CHP officers.
Look at the bumper.
This could be such a hazardous situation now.
She's going the wrong way.
Traveling. Let's just make sure everybody knows this location right here.
She can't traverse up that hill. Okay, now she's turning back around again, obviously realizing there was nowhere for her to go.
Unbelievable.
Now there are
So
so many
dangerous.
cars.
This is the 241 South approaching Rancho Santa Margarita. She's doing it again.
She's trying to get. I bet she was trying to get enough speed to get up that hill.
She's trying to get to the
That's a bit of
north
an
side.
incline.
Now, officer, now that she's really driving
Oh my
like
gosh! Now she's going back
erratically
down.
like this, do you think they'll really pull a pit maneuver or something?
Yes, at this point in time, she's exhibited that she really does not have much thought for the safety of others on the road, and so they may do that.
Never seen anything like this.
Unbelievable. Well, this is just, it's her going into panic mode at this point, too. She doesn't know what to do. Is she headed in the wrong direction again, Ginger Chan?
No,
she's back in the right direction. Okay,
this is the correct direction.
And again, turning around to head back up this hill.
She really just doesn't know what to do, is what it looks like. Yeah.
I think actually she's.
I think she does know.
I think she's
trying to
playing with
fake 'em out,
playing with the cameras.
All right. Do we have some officers up ahead of her? Well, now there she goes again.
And now
all
she
right, now
stops.
complete stop.
She may have run out of gas. I mean, it's
And now she's getting herself
up.
Oh, no.
Look,
And
yes,
the car's
not.
Still going.
Oh, she's angry.
Wow.
She gets
All right,
out
and
to
she's
yell at
back in.
police.
Here we go. Looks like they're going to pull the pit maneuver
There-
on her right there.
there
There
we
we
go.
go.
Maneuvers. There we go.
There we go.
Wow.
Her front bumper looked like there was already some damage. She's going to keep
Not
going.
stopping. And she is
She's
verbally
angry at the
yelling
officers.
officers.
Look at that.
Unbelievable. And she's continuing.
Continuing south on the 241, approaching Rancho Santa Margarita.
lost.
And that looks like
It
maybe
looks like she's getting off.
Getting
And
off,
She's off the highway now.
Oh, look, she possibly might be doubling back around, and maybe she'll get back onto the freeway because, as Officer Montoya said, there's a good possibility that she would maybe try to go back
These are surface
into the
streets
Long
now,
Beach
so
area.
let's be very careful as we watch this.
Oh,
More
and look at that.
turning. That's an intersection, obviously. We're
Oh,
there we go.
oh, look at that right here.
There she is.
At,
And she's
at
not stopping.
41, look at
And
that.
they
Now they've
got
got her
her.
boxed
They
in.
got her
Oh
where they
my
want her
goodness.
there.
She's
She's
like giving
panting.
up. There's no way she's getting
No.
out of that car
No,
unless they
that's it.
drag her out. Look at this.
And this is it.
1, 2. It looks like 3 cars made impact there.
They were not going to even let her get close to
Okay,
maybe
now let's
a
see
jump
where
and run.
she is. She's still in the vehicle right now. Let's watch closely here. I see at least 6 officers near her, but she's still in the vehicle.
And do we have
Look
any
at that
idea-
officer. Look at that
Look at
officer on
that,
the left.
breaking the
He's
window there
breaking
to
in
get
the
her
window
out.
to get to her.
Where are we, Ginger? Do we?
Just
You've
as
got
the
one-
241 freeway ends, basically.
You've got
Okay,
one
okay.
officer on top of the Scion right there. You've got officers on both sides of the car. They've obviously had to break the passenger side window to get in. They are
get her.
Oh
pulling
my
her out
goodness,
of the
look at
driver's
that.
window.
She does not want to get out.
Pulling her. It's taking 4 officers to bring her down. They're putting her down on the ground. I'm assuming she will be face down. They will cuff her at this point.
Unbelievable.